The sandwich. Here's what you will need. 500 grams of strong white flour, 7 grams of dried yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 30 grams of unsalted butter, softened, 300 milliliters of warm water, an 800-gram loaf tin, lined and greased, lettuce, tomato, cheese, honey roast ham, mayonnaise, an olive, 1 shot of vodka. To start out, mix flour, salt, sugar and yeast and butter. Add the water and mix on slow for 2 minutes, then medium for 6. You may need to add more flour or water, depending on the absorption power of the flour. Once mixed, cover the dough with a damp cloth and put it in a warm place. It will double in size. Place onto a floured surface and knead into a ball and rest for 2 minutes. Turning the dough upside down, begin to roll it. Place it into the tin with any noticeable seam on the bottom and lightly press it down. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and put it in a warm place. It will double in size. Bake for 30–40 minutes and completely cool. Once cool, slice 2 pieces and spread the mayonnaise on each side. Slice the tomatoes and tear a few leaves of lettuce. Place in this exact order: bread, ham, cheese, tomato, lettuce, bread, and an olive on top. That's all you need to know. Don't let the enemy get these documents.
Alert! The enemy has taken our intelligence.
What was that, Sandvich? Killed them all? Good idea! Your doctor is dead!
The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
Did you think you could beat me?